Hi everybody, this is Doug Hippie from EAC Product Development Solutions with another tip of the week. Today we're going to talk about the demos and tech tip sessions that are available on PTC.com. So navigate over to PTC.com and then select the support brick that you see in the upper line. Once you're in the technical support area, you can very quickly scroll down and look over in the right-hand column where it says Related Resources. In the Related Resources, 3 levels down, you'll see Demos and Tech Tips. Go ahead and pick on that link, and it's going to take you to the source of their demonstrations and tech tips. There's actually 2 different areas that I want to highlight, but we're going to focus more on the live webcasts area, but I'm just going to give you a brief tour of the pre-recorded videos that are available. In the pre-recorded videos, you're going to notice that there's areas for Creo, for Windchill, for ArborText, for MathCAD, along with other areas. And one of those is PTC's online support tools. This is one that actually would be good for all users to understand so that you can very quickly and easily open up support cases as needed with PTC. Now for all you Creos out there, I'm just going to give you a brief tour and then we're going to move over to the live webcast area. So with the Creo pre-recorded videos, you have general Creo 1.0 videos. This is things like what's new and little techniques that are available there. There's conceptual and industrial design. This would be for those people who are into surfacing and doing that sort of more organic type of surfaces. There's detailed design with CAD, so this is going to get into detailing and using the tools and best practices. You're going to see simulation and analysis, which is for our Mechanica and our FEA tools. Manufacturing and production, which is going to give you tips and tricks for manufacturing processes like the NC product, as well as the tool design products that are available. And then, of course, for visualization, you have tips and techniques there, and Creo Elements Direct for those of you who might want to explore a little bit of the direct modeling capabilities that PTC has to offer. But what I really want to focus on are these live webcasts. In these live webcasts, you'll get an actual PTC technical individual that will guide you through some tips and trick sessions. These are live sessions that give you the ability to ask questions. And why I feel this is important is it gives you the ability to hear what other users' questions that are asked, so that in the event you don't ask those sorts of questions, you get a little more insight. So let's take a look at the Demos and Tech Tips live webcast schedule here and see what they have to offer. And they've got different areas. If you notice on the left-hand side, you have different color keys here for the areas that they're going to have on the schedule. And you'll note that it coordinates with the schedule. So items that are yellow are CAD data management. Items that are orange are Creo parametric. Items that are light green are Creo view. Items that are mid-shaded green are electronics and high-tech demonstrations. Items that are green are PLM overviews. The blue ones are PTC University demonstrations. So I encourage you to take a look at those. Their online training is awesome. And then, of course, you've got Tech Tip webcasts that give you the ability to work harder, or smarter, not harder. Now, you'll notice if I look at the blue items over here in the calendar, there's a little silver key. What this means is you do need to be an active maintenance subscriber in order to access these. Not that big of a deal. If you stay current on your maintenance, you've got access to those. But the ones that don't have the silver key, you've got full access to, so you don't have to worry about those. It's very simple to sign up for these webcasts. All you need to do is pick on the button there, and that link will take you to a sign-in area, and you'll be encouraged to log in. Once you've logged in, it'll give you the ability to fill out the form for it, and then you'll receive an email for you with all the contact information for the meeting. You can even add it to your Outlook calendar so that you make sure that you attend these tech tips and webcasts. Some of them that I'd like to encourage you to take a look at. One of those is basic sheet metal tips if you're a sheet metal user. Most people can benefit from this data repair. So if you import things like step files, IGES files, DXF, things like that, the data repair session is awesome for that. If you're doing top-down design, there's one available for top-down design. That's a great one from that perspective. One other one that I like to encourage people to take a look at is that PTC University e-learning library demonstrations, so that you see that information. It's pretty important that you get an understanding and a feel for those things. So if you have any questions or you'd like to know more about these, definitely feel free to ask, reach out to your account manager at EAC, and he'll be happy to get in touch with us or point you in the direction for these. Thanks again. This is Doug Hippie from EAC Product Development Solutions with another Tech Tip of the Week.